Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a s'mores icebox cake. This is like the perfect way to get all the flavors of a s'more, but make it ahead of time so you don't have to worry about it later. This is perfect. It's easy. It's no bake because it sets in the fridge. Yeah, it's just easy and delicious. I do take a torch and I kind of torch the top of the marshmallows to kind of toast them, if you will. You don't have to do that. If you don't want to do that, please don't. What I used to do is grate some chocolate over the top, and it's just as delicious. So let's get started.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed.